Hello, hello, and welcome to another update video on SUI. Well, SUI seems frozen, yeah. Market is kind of just waiting for Bitcoin to make a move, probably. The previously discussed scenarios and pathways remain completely unchanged. What we are tracking here currently to the upside is this 5-wave sequence, yeah. So we are tracking here from the swing low in June, a 5-wave move up in the yellow scenario, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, you know it. To keep this scenario alive, very clear, the red line needs to hold. That's our make or break point. Any break below the red line indicates that something different is playing out here. That would be the orange scenario. I mean, it's already on the chart. I don't think one is more probable than the other, I have to say. The market is just grinding sideways at the moment, right? So we're kind of ranging for now. Bottom line is above the red line. You could say the yellow scenario might still be leading, but then we don't really have any clear indication that the B wave here has bottomed. Any break below the red line, at 326 would shift the focus to this orange scenario. It just means that we are already in this wave 2. And in the yellow count, basically one more high, before this wave 2 starts. In the orange count, we're already in the wave 2. And the problem is I can interpret them both that way. In the orange count, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then here W, X, Y, and in the Y wave, A, B, C. This can shift a little bit more going forward. Bottom line is I haven't got any local low confirmed here. I think in the very short term, this 326 level can act as short-term relevant support, is a key level against which the price could, the focus could be on higher prices. And if that fifth wave starts from here, $4.24 to $4.94 should be the next upside levels to watch. First key resistance is here around $3.85. Now looking at the shorter, no, not the shorter, but the larger time frame, should give you some clarity about the larger time frame patterns as well, outlook, and so on. And you see here that in both of these scenarios I'm tracking on the daily chart, the focus is on higher prices at the moment. This is really just everything zoomed out. In the yellow scenario, we're basically working on 5 waves up from the August low, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That fifth wave could extend 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 towards $10 plus. In the white scenario, it's a bit different. A, B, C, wave A already topped. This is an A wave down. We're now working on the B wave and then could come down in wave C before we go higher. This white scenario obviously is much more difficult long term, and but I think the cleanest pathway here for this cycle, is for higher prices against the $2.30 level. That's an important one in June. As I said, this is the key level against which we focus on higher. And then in the very short term, we're obviously on a very daily basis here. We're trying to decipher and read the market to understand, how exactly this next leg up is unfolding. But for now, focus remains on higher prices. Expect some fluctuations on the nano level until we really get some upside momentum in. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us on X for additional updates, charts, and much more. The link is in the description and in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.